In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your custom private server settings and prepare for renewal in a targeted game experience. To begin, open your browser window and go to the landing card for the specific game experience you want to manage. Make sure you're on the correct game page before moving forward, since many experiences can look similar at a glance. Taking a moment to confirm the title and page details can help you avoid making changes in the wrong place. Once you're on the game's landing page, look for the navigation bar that contains the available category tabs. From there, select the Servers tab. This section is where you can view server-related options connected to that game experience, including private server entries associated with your account. After the Servers section loads, find your custom private server in the listing. You may need to scan the page carefully if you have access to multiple servers or if the list contains several entries. Next to your private server listing, you should see a menu represented by dots. Click those menu dots to open the available management options for that specific server. This menu is typically where you access actions related to maintaining or reviewing your server setup. Before making any renewal-related decisions, take a moment to verify that the payment method connected to your primary account has enough available funds for the renewal to go through successfully. This is an important part of the process, because if the payment method cannot cover the renewal, your private server may not continue without interruption. It's a good idea to check this in advance, rather than waiting until the renewal date arrives. As you do this, make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you use more than one account in the same browser. It can also help to refresh the page if anything appears outdated, or if the server listing doesn't load right away. Small checks like these can save time and prevent confusion while you're managing account-based features. That's the full process. You navigate to the correct game experience, open the Servers tab, click the menu dots next to your custom private server, and confirm that your primary payment method has sufficient funds for renewal. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be better prepared to keep your private server active without unexpected issues.